Farrell here again. Today I'm at John Burroughs Nature Sanctuary in beautiful Esopus, New York. And today I'm going to be taking a walk with my dogs on the Black Creek Trail. And I'll be showing you different scenes that I pass by that I like. Alright, I've reached a fork in the road. I think I will go toward the pond house. And I will show you this beautiful pond. You might be able to see people fishing over there. It's very pretty. Every day seems a little bit warmer. Every hike I go on seems to have better and better weather. Alright, I just want to show you guys a 360-degree view of this trail, just to do something a little different. Show you how nice and peaceful it is. Right, we've reached the end of this pond where you could go kayaking if you wanted to. And I just want to show you these falls. They're very nice. It's the third set of falls I've seen this week. Been doing a lot of hiking. Well, I'm done with my hike. I hiked for about 2 hours. I want to show you the moon up there. I hope you can see it. The reflection on the pond here is gorgeous, and hope you're all able to get out hiking too. Have a good day.